Hello, TikTok. Wow. 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 Wow.
Well, she was very pretty.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, really. How are you?
Pretty bird.
Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get.
Oh my God! It's a cat! What the fuck? Stop it up! Stop it up! Quiet! Be quiet! Stop it up! Stop it up! Stop it! Stop it! Stop up!
I got your beak. I got your beak. I love you. You can't. Hi. I love you. Kaboo. Peekaboo.
No, I'm not there! I'm not there!
Really?
No, I'm not there!
Hey, that's dirty.
No! No! I'm not there! No, I'm not there!
Really?
No, I'm not there! Damn it! I'm not there!
Seriously?
I know I was!
Buddy, you're so handsome.
I'm gonna nut.
Oh, yeah? You want a nut? I just gave you a...
Give me a kiss. Come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Put peekaboo.
Come here.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Hi.
Hi.
Yes. Yes, Billy. What you doing?
Ah.
You like it outside? A little fresh air?
Ah.
She's so loud, literally the neighborhood could hear the echo. She's very loud.
Hi.
If you would hear... Say hi.
Hi. How are you?
This is our neighbor, Billy.
How are you? Hi. Hi. How are you?
Billy's very smart, eh? But how loud she is, man. Like, oh, the echo is just like, wow. What the?
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh. Oh.
No. ¡Ow! ¡Ofrécome! ¡Cuca! ¿Cómo que what the hell?
Do you love it? It's so pretty. I know. It's you. This is Thor. This is Thor. Ah, I know. Guys, I think this is a hit. He recognizes himself as Thor the Great. I can't believe it. I know. Are you done? Are you done with praising yourself, or would you like to praise yourself some more? I know. Oh, wow. Crown and Paws, I think you guys have outdone yourself. He is obsessed with his painting. Oh my. Wow. You really love yourself, buddy. You really love yourself. I think this is... Yeah, but it's you. It's you. It's so...
Hello, TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Hello, TikTok. Hello, TikTok.
Have you come to say hi? Have you? Have you come to say hello? Oh, so beautiful. Yeah.
Billy, where are you? Huh? Billy? Billy. You're so cute. Look at her. She loves to hide. Billy loves to play hide and seek. Eh? Yes. Billy, where are you? Billy. Billy. Hi, Billy. Hello. Look at her. You're so beautiful. Yes.
Broccoli, carrot, corn, sweet potatoes.
Get your ball. Daddy's at work. Go touch the water. Daddy's at work. Have your bath. What? What is the matter?
You a raspberry? Can I give you a raspberry? You want one? Ready? Was that good? Would you like another one? Yeah? Alright, ready? Hold on. Alright, that's enough. No more. Good boy.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Wow! Pew, 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 pew. Oh, where's Salvador? Pew, pew, pew.
So good to see you tonight.
You are good to me tonight.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Toodaloo.
Am I getting a kiss? Ta.
George.
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 Journey up to now started 8 months ago.
Hello?
Perseverance, which
Yeah.
provides support for
Okay, back here.
and takes
Hello.
sending them back down to Earth.
All we've ever done is put wheels to the surface and move it around another planet. So to literally lift off and be able to explore in that way.
say hi? Hi, Rocky. Hi. Hi. You are good to me tonight.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Hello.
Am I getting a kiss? Ta.
George.
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 Ingenuity's journey up to now started 8 months ago.
Hello?
Perseverance, which provides
Yeah.
support
Okay, back here.
and takes
Hello.
sending them back down.